To one and all present on board. I, Deepika, student teacher on behalf of Army Institute of Education. I, Deepika, student teacher on behalf of Life Skill Club of Army Institute of Education, welcome you all in this online workshop. Today, we are recognizing the World Mental Health Day. The World Mental Health Day, a program for mental health, was celebrated for the first time on October 10, 1992. The world is experiencing the unprecedented impact of global health emergency due to COVID-19 that has also impacted on the mental health of million peoples. In wake of this COVID-19 pandemic, this year, the World Health Organization has decided the theme for World Mental Health Day 2020 is mental health for all, greater investment, greater access. We know that the level of fear, anxiety, isolation, social distancing, and restrictions, the pandemic situation has created much uncertainty and insecurity and affected the well-being. Now, I would like to hand over the mic to Fiza, some light upon the miraculous benefit of music on well-being. Over to you, Fiza.
Thank you, Deepika. Music is a moral law. It gives soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the wings, and charm to the gaiety of life and to everything. Music is considered a universal language and has influenced the human existence at all levels. It is a medicine for communication, which can be both a pleasant and a healing experience. It is believed that therapy using music improves the quality of a person's life and can be aided in the physical, physiological, and emotional integration of individual in the treatment of illness or disability. Pandit Roop Verma, a world-renowned sitarist, says the human body is like a musical instrument, expressing numerous frequencies and rhythms in a constantly changing spectrum of life. It responds and resonates in consonance with music, sounds, speech, and thought from the environment and undergoes changes of heartbeat, breathing, blood chemistry, and circulation of energy in various energy centers of our body. In Indian classical music, ragas constitute specific combinations of tonic intervals potentially capable of evoking distinct emotions. Analysis of emotional response revealed that ragas elicit distinct emotions across the two presentation modes, and specific tonic intervals are robust predictors of emotional response. Ragas have incredible power. Practicing and listening these ragas have various advantages. Few to mention here are Sivranjani Raga. It's a powerful raga for meditation, bestows benevolence of God, it removes sadness from life, and it is good for general health. The many more mentioned to include Yamuna Kalyani. This raga gives freshness and dynamism. And Bhairavi Raga, it reduces anxiety, pressures, skin diseases, and allergies. And there are many more benefits with ragas. Every raga is a medicine. Every rag is a mantra. Every rag has healing powers. Some of the rags will cure our health problem, while some of the rags will help cure a lot of our mental worries and health worries. Thus, on the occasion of World Mental Health Day 2020, amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, the Life Skills Club of Army Institute of Education Greater Noida is organizing a workshop on ragas for well-being. And for this, I would like to invite Ms. Deepika to introduce the most appropriate resource person for today. Over to you, Deepika.
Thank you, Fiza. To enlighten us on this day for this workshop, I welcome our honorable esteemed guest, Mr. Kiran, a higher secondary teacher with MA in History and B.Ed. He learned tabla and Gurukul system from the age 5 onward. was a selected tableist under the Song and Drama Division under MHRD government at the age of 12. University winner in tabla, win Eastern Percussion Western for 8 consecutive years. He has won National University Youth Festival in tabla and Indian group song, represented Indian University in South Asian University Youth Festival held in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Before we starting our today's session, I would request you all to please mute yourself first to avoid disturbance. Even if you are muted, actively participate in Raga session. Now, mic is yours, sir.
Sir, you are requested to please unmute yourself.
Okay. Namaskar. Good morning, respected principal, faculty members, and student teachers of Army Institute of Education. It's a great opportunity for me to interact with you all. And I thank the management and the college and principal for giving me give such a wonderful opportunity. Now we are going to analyze the raga Yemen. Carnatic music, this raga called Kalyani. We are going to analyze the raga Yemen Kalyan or Kalyani and Yemen. When we analyze raga, first of all, we analyze one octave or sthai. It contains 13 notes. Sa, va, sa. This is called one octave. Sa, sa. It has 13 notes. Sa, re, re, ga, ga, ma, ma, pa, tha, tha, ni, ni, sa. When we select some notes or combination of such notes, we can create various ragas. First of all, we analyze raga Yemen. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. Sa, ni, dha, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. This raga, Yemen. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. Sa, ni, dha, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
if you give that swarasthana, that help them to sing along with you, even if the mic is muted, that will be better. That is Yaman Yaga. Arohana
Okay.
and Avarohana.
Okay. Arohana. Sa, sa, re, da, ma, pa, tha, ni, sa. Then Avarohana. Sa, ni, dha, pa, ma, ga, re, sa.
Thank you, sir. This raga, Yaman, that helps in reducing stress. And this is a raga that can be sung at any time, morning, daytime and night, we can sing this raga. And this raga is known as the queen of ragas. So, sir, the next raga, we will switch over to Hamsadhwani.
Okay, Hamsadhwani. Hamsadhwani is a Carnatic raga. It has 5 swaras. Sariga, pa, ni, sa, sani, pa, ga, re, sa. Arohan. Sariga, pa, ni, sa, sani, pa, ga, re, sa. Sani pa, ga, ga, re, re, sa, re, sa, sa, re, ga, pa, ni, sa, sani, pa, ga, re, ni, sa.
This raga is activating according to the yoga chakra. This raga is activating the Moola chakra, that is Shadadhara, and it is healing the neural disturbances. It is an energy giving raga and provides good thinking. And it is Sarva Roga Harini. This raga is known as Sarva Roga Harini. Sir, now we will move to Mohana.
Yes, Mohana. Mohana, Hindustani, known as Bhopali or Phoop. It has also 5 notes. 5 notes raga. Sariga pada sa sadha pa gari sa Sariga pada sa sadha pa gari sa
This Mohana raga is the most pleasant raga because it has comforting notes. So, sir, now you switch over to Shivaranjani.
Okay. Only the difference between Mohana and Shivaranjani, 1 note. That note is Ga. Mohana, Sariga Pada Sa Sadha Pagari Sa. This Ga, Sariga, when we select first Ga or minor Ga, the mode of raga thoroughly change. Sariga pada sa sadha pa ga re sa. Sariga minor note. Sariga pada sa sadha pa ga re sa. മിശ്ര ശിവരഞ്ജിനി സരിഗ പദ സാധപ ഗാരേ സരിഗ ഗാരേ സാ സരിഗ പദ സാ
Shivaranjani has most that effectiveness of this music therapy, and it is removing sadness. Shivaranjani is a raga that removes sadness, and it is used in all the shanti, that is giving shanti, that is peaceful mindset to the persons, those who are singing and listening to Shivaranjani, and it is good for general health also. Raga Shivaranjani. Now, sir, you can move to Hindola.
Hindola. Hindola has no pa, the note pa, not included this raga. Without pa. This raga is known as Madhyam raga. The importance of ma. Sagama dhani sa. Arohan. Sagama dhani sa. Sanidha mag sa. Ne sa. Sagama dhani ni sa. Nidhama sa nidhama ga sa nidhani sa dhani sa dhani sa Sagamadhani sagama Gasa Nidhama Gasa
Now we will move to Bhupala. Bhupala.
Sadhapa re sa
This raga is pleasing raga that is invitation to get up from sleep. This is morning raga, like the sun, Surya Deva is coming on the Ratha Chakra. That is the morning raga. Bhupala is the morning raga that is inviting raga from sleep. So, sir, because of the time limit, the raga that any special raga that you want to demonstrate, that you can demonstrate now as a last raga for this session.
Okay. శుభవంతురాలి శుభవంతురాలి
Thank you, sir. And this Shubhavantuvarali, that is avoiding all the confusion. And when we are in a stage of confusion, this raga makes us to think in a right way. That is the effect of Shubhavantuvarali. Over to you, Deepika.
Thank you, sir. Now, I invite Dr. Tanya Gupta, Principal of Army Institute of Education, Greater Noida, to share valuable experience on this occasion. Now, mic is your ma'am.
Good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. Thank you, Deepika, for asking me to share my experience. I feel privileged. Sir, on behalf of Army Institute of Education, I'm very, very thankful to you, sir, for coming for this workshop. Wishing you a very happy World Mental Health Day. I have heard a lot about you, and it is our privilege that I could, hear your talent. And most of the times I switched off my screen, thinking the screen puts you a little bit unconscious. I tried enjoying the ragas, and I think you are blessed. All musicians are incarnations of God. I feel they are all incarnations of God. You have given us a wonderful demonstration of all the ragas. Thank you so much for that. And to the Life Skills Club, which I can see the two dynamic young ladies, Deepika and Fiza, who have conducted this workshop on ragas for well-being under the guidance of Miss Kavita and Karun, who